Hello guys, this is Francisca and I'm back with yet another informative video for y'all, and that is a haul by purple.com. So I have bought these many products, and one product that I got for free by purple.com. This is Good Vibes Raspberry and Peppermint Brightening Face Scrub. I don't know why it is not clear, but that is it. I'll first show you how this is. So this looks like light pink, as you can see, and smells like raspberry, and it has chunks that you can do face scrub with. So this is the first product that I got it for free, and it's a very small tube, guys. Okay, so my sister is just sitting right here and she's making me laugh. Okay, so the second product is Coconut Brightening Face Cream. Okay, the camera is not focusing properly. This is the second product. So how to use this Coconut Brightening Face Cream, I'll tell you. It says scoop out natural goodness through your gentle fingers. Steadily and smoothly massage it on your cleansed face and go shine bright. So I bought another product with this, that is Good Vibes Lemon Essential Oil. I'd been seeing this in YouTube channels, other people's YouTube channels. They were telling all good things about this, so I thought I can try this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix 1 or 2 drops of this essential oil in this Good Vibes face cream and use it. I'll show you how this Good Vibes looks. So this is the consistency that it has. It's not very greasy. It's not very greasy. It is like this. It's not very greasy. So I'm going to use this with the essential oil. Let me show you the essential oil now. So third product is Good Vibes Lemon Essential Oil. So this is the one. I have used it once. I've used it today in the morning before I could put kajal and lipstick, and it smells like pure lemon oil. It's nice, but let me use it for 1 month, and then I'll get back to you guys on how this is working for me. So it smells very nice. It smells like lemon, like pure lemon peel smell. So oh shit, it's just leaking little. Just leaked a bit, and let me use it in my hands. So the fourth product that I think will work for me is Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic Under Eye Gel. Under Eye Gel. So this is gel base. I have lot of dark circles, guys. I have now concealed it with a concealer, but trust me, I have lot of dark circles. You know, my sister keeps telling me that it's like a burnt eyelid or something. So I bought this product. So it is gel based consistency. So let me use it for a month, and then also I'll review about this. Currently, like I've just used it once, so let me use it for 1 month and give you honest review about this. So this is like a gel consistency, as you can see. It is a gel consistency. So it says that you need to use this product twice, once in the morning and once before you go to bed. So let me tell you about this as well after a month. So the fifth product that I have is by NY Bay. So all these products have been I have shopped from purple.com, and this is Long Eyelid Deep Intense Eye Pencil. So I have bought it in the color blue. Let me just show you if I can. It's very so it looks like that. I'm very impressed with this. It looks nice. Just let me swatch it in my hand, on my hand. Guys, my sister is sitting right next to me. I can't show her now because she's oiled her hair, otherwise she's going to screw me. Okay, so it looks like this. You can see it's very nice, guys. I'll tell you the prices for each product. I didn't pay much, but I'm really happy with this because it's very nice. It's, pigmented and very nice. And, and, I don't know, sixth, seventh product or okay. So the next product that I have is Bella Wotse lip crayon in the shade Live in the Life Live in the Life 08. Live in the Life 08. So this is the next product that I purchased from purple.com. Also the color range or the shade name is blue, but I don't know the, so it just says blue, guys. So all the link and description, I'll leave it in the description section. So the next product that I have is Bella Wotse a matte lip crayon in the shade Live in the Life 08. So I don't know, I've already applied the lipstick. Let me swatch it in my hand. It looks like this. So for a long time I wanted something like nude because I have so many reds and pinks. So now if you want me to swatch it on my lips, I sh I will have to remove this lipstick. So this is how it is. It's very nice. It is like brown matte, brown peach. So this is perfect for Indian skin tone. I don't know if I have to, like, I'll just show it to you guys. So I've just removed the lipstick from my lips. As you can see, my lips are very pigmented. And let me see how this looks on my lips. So it is giving me that brown nude shade, but what you guys have to do is, for people with my complexion, you have to mix it with some other lipstick little bit, then it will give you a nice look that you want. But I'm very happy with this. This is like everyday lipstick that you can wear to office or college. So you need to mix this lipstick with another lipstick so that it'll get, the lipstick will not look very nude. Okay, so the last product that I have is a brow pencil by Wet n Wild, Colorian brow pencil. So this is in the shade brown. So I purchased this because it has a brush over here, so I can just brush. I'll show you right away because I haven't done my eyebrows. I'll just show you the difference now. This is in the shade brown. I basically took this brow pencil because of the brush. Like, what I wanted to do is I wanted to put castor oil. I mean, dip this brush in castor oil and just brush it over my brows because they are very scanty. I don't have thick eyebrows. So I'm just showing you roughly how this looks on me. I don't like too dark eyebrows. It just looks very dramatic. It should always look natural, guys. I don't like too heavy and something like you are going for some drama or something. Like it very less. So you can see, you can also smudge with this. So guys, you can see the difference between this and this. It really looks very. So guys, that's it. I think I've shown you this brow pencil. You can see how it looks very nice on my face. You can see the difference between this brow and this brow. It looks very nice. So I suggest you to buy this. And also I'm very impressed with this eyeliner. So you can use it as a kajal or eyeliner, eyeshadow for your smoky eyes. You can do anything with this eyeliner in blue. It's very nice, guys. So see the swatches that I did on my hand. You can see how dark this is. Also about the talking about the lipstick, it is nudish pink, beige, nude sort of a color. It's nice, but if you like it this way, you can leave it or you can mix it with some other color, guys. It's very nice. I'm super impressed with purple.com. So also I'll be telling you reviews about this lemon essential oil and also Good Vibes face cream and Aroma Magic's gel under eye cream. I'll tell you after a month how these work, because after a month only you get to know the proper results. I am someone who don't see for shortcuts. I want some products that should enhance the natural beauty that I have, and I have lot of dark circles. So let's see how these products work for me, and then I'll come up with a review if this really helped me or not. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe so that I come up with more beauty products and show you guys. And also if you want me to show all these separately in a single video, then do comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching me, and I'll be back with some important like interesting topic for you guys. Thank you.